In this video, I'll show you how to add a user in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Open Advanced Setup to access the Salesforce administration settings. Next, use the Setup search bar to search for users and open the Users Management page. On the Users page, click on New to start adding a new user to your Salesforce organization. Now, enter the user's email address and fill in the required information. Then, choose the appropriate profile that determines the user's permissions and level of access within Salesforce. After reviewing the details, send the invitation. The user will receive an invitation email with instructions to activate their account and join your Salesforce organization. And that's how you can add a user in Salesforce CRM.